If you're trying to install InShot and see the error, app not installed, package conflicts with an existing package, don't worry, it's a common issue and easy to fix. Follow this trick. Click on the settings and go to App Management. Click on the three dots and enable Show System. Then search InShot and find the InShot and uninstall. Now it's fixed.